What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Deb, man. If you guys saw the last video, man, you saw that I'm picking up where we left off, and there's a lot going on in this weekend, and I want you guys to check it all out. So I am out rolling with the fellas. Got my boy Jay out here on his brand new Ninja 300. Got Pops up there up front on his 08 GSXR 1000, and I'm back here on the 01 Gixxer 1000. I ride an 01 Gixxer 1000, yes. Don't know why that was so hard for me to say just now. But we are out cruising, man. Out making some noise. And we are kicking it. Pops just got new tires put on his. We went with the same tires. We both got the Bridgestone Batlex S22s. And he seems to like them so far. He literally just got them put on today. But so far, so good. There is nothing like the sound of a Brock. Pops has a Brock's Performance exhaust on his full system. Yes, I was a copycat. Like father, like son. Suzuki GSXRs are the only things that's acceptable in the Clark household, and that's why I have one. And that's why Dominica had to get a Gixxer too. Pops wouldn't accept anything else. No. I'm just talking stuff. There is nothing like being out on the bikes, kicking it, man. Nothing like it. You guys are gonna have to let me know down in the comments if you like videos like this where I'm just out cruising, having some fun with the fellas. You're gonna have to let me know if you guys want to continue seeing stuff like this, man. If you haven't already, man, make sure you subscribe to your boy's channel. Like this video if you like content like this, so that I know to keep making content like this, because y'all know where my motovlog setup ain't my favorite, but you know, if this is what y'all like to see, I'm cool making it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm cool making it. I was saying this in the last video, man, but there is nothing like getting out and turning some corners on a beautiful day, man. The freedom of being out, smelling all the fumes, just out on two wheels, man. It's literally nothing like it, man. It is nothing like it. And it's just so ironic. You guys have seen that so many of my friends have gotten bikes recently. It's just crazy that everybody that's gotten a bike recently, including my best friend's fiance, my boy Jay, who's right here, and then his best friend Jalen, that is also one of my boys, man. It's just crazy because all three of them said they would never even think about riding a motorcycle. And it's not like I was like, man, you should get a bike, you should get a bike. But you know, they all started talking about it, and then, you know, once they started talking about it, I was like, well, shoot, you know, if you want to get a bike, get a bike. And here we are. They all got bikes, man, and they all about to have a fun, safe summer, man, because God is gonna cover us as he always does. Y'all know the God we serve. Yup, y'all know the God we serve, man. But we out here just living life, man. Out kicking it, catching some wind on this beautiful day. Sadly, Mama is not with us. Mama is stuck at work, but she'll be back out soon, man. She'll be back out to kick it soon. I know she wished she was probably out here with us though. It's weird because, like, you're doing this through my point of view, but it's interesting. Like I mentioned, you know, I don't motovlog too often, and the reason being is because, guys, I'm not out here acting a fool. I get out, I like to have fun, but I don't be out here doing nothing crazy, man. And the people I ride with, we don't ride like that, man. We get out here, we have fun, but we ain't gotta act a fool to have fun, man. We can just get out, have fun, be safe, and, you know, catch some wind, man. That's what we do, man. We out here just having a good time, man. You ain't gotta be going 150 miles per hour to have fun. You could jump out here and just be cruising on a nice little country road and have a blast. Listen to the pipes. Downshift, upshift. Hey, kick it. Jayla, ride that bike, boy. Riding that bike. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Ride that bike. You know what I'm saying? Ride that bike. Perfect day for a little cruise, man. Perfect day for a little cruise, baby. Like having some brand new tires on the bike, man. Ain't nothing like it. These S22s feel so amazing, y'all. If you were going back and forth with which type of tires you should get, these Bridgestone S22s are literally amazing. Yes, sir. Hey, you getting to ride with G Clark a little bit? Huh? Said you getting to ride with G Clark a little bit. Where you headed? Yeah, where you headed? Where you headed? Out where? To the lake? Oh, okay, cool. Cool, well, yeah, we about to go work with him real quick and get him together. Yep, we probably gonna be right at Ennis. You said what? I can't hear you.
A quick loop?
What?
A quick loop?
Where? But no, he going far out. Yeah, he going far out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, Ennis. Yep.
And I might swing back by there on my way in.
Alright, cool. Yeah, we'll be over there. Alright now. Pops out, man. So we are headed to meet up with another one of our boys, the guy's bike you saw in the last video, our other boy Jay. And Jay just got a let's go straight. Jay just got a FZ6R, so we're about to go meet up with him real quick and work on his skills a little bit. He did wreck that bike yesterday, the first day that he got it, sadly. So I'm about to help kind of train him up a little bit, just so that, you know, he can kind of have some pointers so that he kind of knows what's going on. And that's what we about to do, man. A lot of people always ask me to show them where LeBron James grew up. So he grew up right over in those apartments over there. And just a little fun fact on today's vlog, I guess. Somebody last year commented that like 3 times. I'm like, if I'm ever over there, I'll say something, but you know, I guess I'm not over here that much. I'm following you. Turn's gonna get smoother, y'all. Like I said, this is only like his 3rd day out, so he getting good. I mean, he just learning a little bit, little by little, you know what I'm saying, little by little. Alright, y'all, we just pulled back up at the dog's house, and we waiting on our other homie to get here real quick. And our other dude is about to start practicing a little bit on that FZ6R a little bit, man. About to be practicing a little bit. The reason we don't want him to learn on Jalen's bike is because we don't want him to accidentally fall and wreck my dude's brand new bike, you know what I'm saying? And you know, then my dude is out the season, so we gonna have him learn on the bike that he bought, and that's what we gonna do, man. Yes sir. How you feel out there, man?
Oh yeah, that East Ave turn.
Yeah.
That was a sharp one.
Okay, okay. Oh yeah, yeah, that was sharp, and it's real bumpy right there. Yeah. Yep, yep. Yes sir. Yep, yep. Feel good, man. You getting a real taste of it today. Yep. Real taste. We got the 01 Gixxer out here kicking it, man, and we got the 300, as y'all saw. Pops just went in his own way, and we about to work with my dude real quick.